I received this question from a subscriber that named Tanatswa. This question was taken from a SIMSEC paper, November 2017, paper 2. Saka question number 5. Iri kuti iyo. 3 interior angles of a hexagon are x degrees and the remaining 3 interior angles are each y degrees. Form an equation in x and y that satisfies this condition. But it treat this part as a rough paper. We know kuti in SIMSEC we are given rough papers. Saka this part is our rough paper, then panapa ndo pachazoisa our final answer. So we should know kuti a hexagon is a shape with 6 sides. Saka something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then taudzwa kuti 3 interior angles, they are x degrees and it. Then tikaudzwa zvakare kuti amwe 3 anenge ari y degrees. So taziva kuti hexagon chi uye taunderstanda kuti interior angle chi. Chatakuda kunzwisisa panapa manje ndechekuti sum of interior angles, the sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. Ende zvandinowanzokuita kuti ndizive kuti this formula is correct. Kutanga, kana chiti sum of interior angles, sokuti ma-angles ari mukati meshape x, x, x na y, y, y. Kama eda ma-angles ese ari mukati meshape anofanirwa kutipa n minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. N representing the number of sides of a shape. And zvandinoita to know that this formula is correct, I usually use a triangle. And I already know that the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Saka n, that is the number of sides. A triangle has 3 sides. Rotka replace n na 3. 3 minus 2 multiplying 180. That will be 1 multiplying 180. And our answer is correct. The interior angles of a triangle are 180 degrees. Knowing this, ngatidzoke question kwedu. Question iri kuti form an equation in x and y that satisfies this condition. Saka the sum of interior angles tichati x plus x plus x. Since taudzwa kuti 3 interior angles of a hexagon are each x degrees, towatazoti plus y plus y plus y. Since taudzwa zvakare kuti the remaining 3 interior angles are each y degrees, but this is equal to n minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. Then x plus x plus x into 3x plus y plus y plus y into 3y. This is equal to replace n as 6. N is the number of sides and the hexagon has 6 sides. Saka 6 minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. Then panapa tinogona kufactor out 3 kusara tina x plus y. It's equal to then 6 minus 2 ndiani ndi 4. 4 multiplying 180 degrees. So todzokera rough paper kuya toda kuziva kuti 180 times 4 ndiani. Saka it's 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 23. 4 times 1 to 4, 5, 6, 7. Saka finally our answer is going to be togona kunyora takati 3 bracket x plus y is equal to 720 degrees. So this is going to be our final answer. Saka we can represent our answer as 3 bracket x plus y is equals to 720 degrees. And part 2. Part 2 iri kuti given that 5x is equal to 7y, use this equation and the equation in part 1 to find the values of x and y. Saka in part 1, equation yedu, let us further simplify it. How do we further simplify the equation in part 1? Saka part 1 yange yakadai equation yacho 3 over at x plus y is equal to 720 degrees. Kana tichida kubvisa 3 uyu, we can divide here with 3, then divide here with also 3. Kureva kuti panapa tasara tina x plus y is equal to 3 into 3 ndi 1, 3 into 7 ndi 2 to carry 1, 3 into 12 ndi 4, then 3 into 0 ndi 0. Kureva kuti panapa inenge richi 240 degrees, and this will be equation 1. Then equation 2 yedu taudzwa kuti it's 5x is equal to 7y. That is going to be our equation 2. So let us clear here. Tingosara tine my equations because our space is a bit cramped. Saka let us clear. Saka as equation 1, we have x plus y is equal to 240 degrees. Then this will be our equation number 1. Is our equation 2 tina 5x is equal to 7y. We should solve these equations simultaneously. How are we going to solve these equations simultaneously? Saka we can use the method of elimination. We can also use the method of substitution. Saka panapa, I'm going to choose the method of elimination. So to eliminate Ranchaita, I'm going to rewrite these two equations. Actually rewrite the second equation in such a way that elimination is going to be a bit easier. Now out our second equation, the 5x is equals to 7y. So rewriting it manje, tichati 5x minus 7y is equal to 0. What happened was I took a transfer of 7y achiuya kuchi left hand side, and we know that transfer is a change of arithmetic signs. Saka 7y yangambori positive, ajamba equal sign asvika achiva negative. Saka this is going to be a new form of our second equation. Then how are we going to eliminate? To do this, ngatitange taita outer our first equation. We need to eliminate x. We have to multiply everything with 5. Saka to multiply everything with 5 in our first equation, we need to multiply everything with 5 in our first equation. How do we do so? Tengeta kuti 5 times x then 5x plus 5 times y and 5y is equal to, what is 240 times 5? Saka let us treat this part as our rough paper. Saka it's 240 times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20, 22. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2, that's 120. That's 1200 rather. Saka here it's going to be equal to 1200. And this is equation 1. Saka takwanisa kuzvi eliminate manje. We draw our line. Then we are going to be subtracting. Saka 5x minus 5x is 0. Minus 7y minus plus 5y. It's minus 7y minus 5y. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kureva kuti it's negative 12y. Negative 12y, it's equal to 0 minus 1200. It's going to be minus 1200. So some say 1200, some say 1200, whatever way you want to call it. Then kuti tisare tina y, we are going to be dividing both sides with minus 12. And my minus 12 achakancelana, we are left with y. Then my minus okancelana, 12 into 12, 1, 12 into 12, 1. Kunokuti nani, tina 100. Kureva kuti the value of y is 100. Let us now clear this space kuti tiwane the value of x. Our calculations have given us the value of y to be equal to 100. Saka from either our first equation or our second equation, choose any of the two, and we are going to substitute 100 or replace y now 100 in order to find x. Saka, for simplicity's sake, let us choose the second equation. 5x is equal to 7y. Saka 5x is equal to 7, we replace y with 100. Saka since 7y means 7 times y, so it's now 7 times 100 to give us 700. Then to remain with x, we divide both sides with 5. X is going to be equal to 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 7, 1. Remainder 2. 5 into 24 and into 0, it's 0. 140 degrees. Saka our y, it's 100 degrees. And our x is 140 degrees. I hope my explanation was very clear. If you find it unclear, you can comment below and I'll try to explain in a more clearer way. Take care.